What's good, everybody, man? What's going on? This your boy Vlogging with Greg, and I'm back with another reaction video, man. This one here is Jerry Reed once again. The Bird. Yeah, The Bird. I mean, y'all already know. When y'all hear the word The Bird, y'all already know what that's where my mind is right now. So, we're going to go ahead on and jump into it and check this one here out, man, and see if that's the same thing I'm thinking about. Let's get it.
Well, my throat was dry and it was getting late. I was at this bar on an interstate when a guy with this bird on his shoulder walked through the door. Yeah, he proceeded to tell me the wildest thing. He said, "Sir, this bird of mine can sing like no other bird you have ever heard before."
This dude has, he keeps some of the craziest stories. Like, all his stories is just like, it's just off the wall stories that he be telling, man. And it be hilarious as hell, but I'm not gonna lie to you, it do. But how do he come up with this stuff, bro?
Through the door. Yeah, he proceeded to tell me the wildest thing. He said, "Sir, this bird of mine can sing like no other bird you have ever heard before." Well, I kind of looked at the guy and said, "Oh, really?" He turned to the bird and said, "Do old Willie." When the bird started singing, I almost fell in the floor.
Whiskey River, take my mind. Don't let a memory torture me. Whiskey River, don't run dry. I hear all I got to take care of me.
Well, if that ain't the darndest thing. Well, I thought, son, what a heck of a thing. A man could get rich making that bird sing, and I could feel this wild idea coming on strong. And besides,
Okay, I mean, he telling the truth. You got a bird that can sing. I'm pretty sure during that time, that was like unheard of. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah, you definitely can get rich off of it. That is one way to get rich, man. Like, you really train a bird to sing. Yeah, and nothing that you hear every day. I've never heard it. And so it definitely would be amazing to me.
Here, coming on strong. And besides, I'm sitting here with 2 weeks pay, and I'm probably blowing on beer anyway. Then he said, "Hey, when did you hear him sing like George Jones? He stopped loving her today. A place to read upon his door."
So wait, hold up. Every time it changed, that's the bird singing? Yo, bro. Jerry got a voice on him, though. I'm noticing that. I'm really noticing that. My man, like, when he changed up and hit his little vocals, he really did sound good.
A place to read upon his door.
Oh.
Soon they'll carry him away. He stopped loving her today.
Bro. I need that bird.
I said, "Well, that does it, sir. Yep, I'd like to buy that bird.
Yep.
$500, take him off your hands, huh?" Well, he thought for a while. He said, "All right." He handed me the bird and he said, "Good night." He counted my money and out the door he ran. Well, I was thinking I'd found the rainbows in, that the money would soon be pouring in, when suddenly the bird just flew out the door and was gone.
I was just thinking that. I'm like, why this sounds like a scam? Yo, my man is way smarter than pool players. You know, the ones that make it seem like they don't know what they're doing, and then they double the money, and then they clear the table on you. My man got to put in no work. Let the bird sing 2 times, $500, gone. Bird know where to go at. Bird know where home at. And he know exactly what spot to appear at. Got him out his money, bro. I knew it sounded like a scam, man.
thinking I'd found the rainbow's end, that the money would soon be pouring in, when suddenly the bird just flew out the door and was gone. Well, then it hit me, and I got boiling mad, because I knew right then that I'd been had.
Yep.
And as he flew off into the night, he was singing this song.
Oh,
On the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again.
Somebody stop that bird!
The life I love is making money with my friends. And I can't wait to get on the road again.
yo, bro.
On the road again.
No way,
My
man.
bird!
I just can't wait to get on the road again.
My $500!
The life I love is making money with my friends.
Oh,
I can't wait to get on the road again.
somebody get me a BB gun! I want that bird!
I just can't wait to get on the road again.
Oh,
This
man.
is for the bird!
Life I love is making money with my friends.
Oh, bro.
Can't wait to get on the road again.
Buy me a drink, somebody.
Yo, bro, my man, he want to kill a bird, bro. He want the bird dead. He said, somebody get me a BB gun. I gotta kill him. I got to lay him down, but I want him in my presence. Like, I don't want him to go no further than where he at now. Keep an eye on that bird, but somebody get me a BB gun. I got to get him. I got to get him. That's my $500 flying away. The bird started singing On the Road Again, bro. Oh my God, man. Yo, I loved it. I loved it. It is definitely a song. It's a good way to end it, man. A good way to end it, bro. I like it. I definitely like it, bro. I just don't know how you come up with these stories, man. Imagination is serious. Unless it kind of happened, maybe it did happen. Some stories may be true. But that one, if it is, that's messed up. That's messed up, man. So shout out to Jerry Reed with another one, man. Definitely loved it, bro. So with that being said, y'all go ahead on and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You already know who it is. It's your boy Vlogging with Greg, baby. Out.